In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs on your Hyundai Elantra. Now these are halogen bulbs, so if you're ever going to touch the bulb surface, always use a towel or a rag. That's good practice. You don't want to touch the bulb surface with your bare hands because there's oil on your fingers and that's going to get deposited on the bulbs and that's going to damage it. So let's get started. Open the driver's side door and now we'll pull the primary hood release lever that's by the driver's left side foot. And now in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Hyundai emblem there, put one finger in and push it to the left. And just pull the hood up. This hood requires a prop rod, so pull the prop rod out and put it in that slot with the arrow marking it. Now, so that's the high beam bulb. That's what the bulb is for the passenger side, and that is where the bulb is for the driver's side. I'm just going to show you for the passenger side and the exact same process for the driver's side bulb. So first we need to take that cap off. So grab the cap and just twist it left. It may be a little bit hard. Don't worry, it's just probably because of moisture. So just twist it like quarter turn. Then grab your vehicle key and use the key to like pop that cap off. Alright, now that the cap is off, we need to take the bulb holder out. So grab the bulb holder and twist it left. Now you need to wiggle the bulb holder a little bit and it should just come right out. Be careful that the bulb doesn't touch anything when you're trying to take it out. Now, to pull the bulb out, just put your thumb under that slot there and pry it out using your thumb. You may have to wiggle it a little bit, again because of moisture, but don't worry, take your time with it. It will come right out. Now get the replacement bulb. This is an H7 bulb type. Align the bulb with the bulb holder like that and then just push it in. It should clip like that. Okay, you hear that noise? Now the bulb holder and the bulb are aligned. We will just put it back in. Make sure it's sitting flush and then twist it right, like a little bit. It's clicked. Now we need to put the cap back on. Put the cap on, make sure it sits flush, and then twist it right like a quarter turn. And that's pretty much it. Now let's do the low beam. So that's the low beam bulb for the passenger side. That's what the bulb is on the passenger side. And that's where it is on the driver's side. So this one's kind of tricky to see, but I'll explain to you as I'm doing it. So just follow along. So the way to access the bulb is from behind over here. Okay? So what you do first thing, take this cap, grab it and twist it. So you're going to grab it like this and twist it. So take it off first. So twist it just like a quarter turn. If it's hard, don't worry. There may be some moisture and things, so it might be a little bit hard, but don't worry. Just twist it. Once you're done, just take your car key, just put it in a little slot and try and see if you can push it out. Okay, see, so the cap is off now. Keep it somewhere safe. Now what I'm going to do, I'll just do it right now. Once I get the bulb out, I'll show you exactly what I did. So there's an electrical connector there. Just press on it, push the connector down. So now the connector is out. Now grab the bulb, twist it, wiggle it a little bit, and the bulb will come right out. Okay, so this is what happened exactly. So the bulb is held in place like this, and the connector is there. So this is the connector. You press it, and then you pull it out. And the way to get the bulb out is you grab the bulb and twist it ever so slightly to the left side, like this, just a little bit, and then just wiggle it out. Right? Now get the new bulb. We're going to put it in. First, we're going to put it in just this way. Okay, once it's in position, then we're going to twist it right slightly. And then connect this back on. It just goes on one way, so we can't be wrong when we're doing that. Put that in. Put the bulb in. Position. Okay, it's locked. Take the connector, put the connector in. It's locked, it's placed. Get the cap back on. Just twist it till it's flush like this. Okay. Once it's flush, once it's sitting flush like this, put it in and then just twist it like a quarter ton. Alright, so now let's go try it out. That's the low beam and that's the high beam.